Hi everyone, this is PAIDU Industrial Park. You can see our PAIDU logo. This whole area is our factory. Come check it out with me. This is our development timeline. We start our journey back in 2003, and this board covers every milestone up to 2026. This is our whole story of growth. Total investment 450 million RMB with 20 production lines. PAIDU Industrial Park focused on new materials, deep processing, cold warehousing. This is our factory's first air view. That is workshop 1, this is workshop 2, and that's workshop 3, and this is workshop 4, plus shaping depth in workshop 5. For me, this is our folding workshop. Right now, we're working on folding the yoga mat. Machine speed went down. Feel the texture, they're super comfy. Here is the carting area. This is what the raw materials looks like. After carting, the finished edge looks absolutely perfect. We use imported Japanese blade sharp and precise. Besides the base texture, we add extra patterns on top, making the texture clearer and more visually appealing. Come check out the packaging section. 2 teams on duty today. Every label has barcode, specs, color, brand, size, and production date. We pack each carton to prevent damage. And use reinforced 3+3 striping for sturdiness. This is our sample room for workshop reference. All past samples are here, marked with approval date, customer specs, and month. All our folding mat samples are stored here, various sizes and colors. If you are a customer, this is how we will welcome you. Hope to see you soon. If you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to give me a call anytime. Waiting for you.